70% of the poverty nandoon sa agricultural sector. They don't own a land. The land reform was a farce, not because it was not given, for indeed there was really a ceremony to do that, but the problem again is that there was no support from government. Binigyan mo ng tag-ilan, 2, 3, 5 hectares land reform, tapos ibigay mo sa tao. Wala ka naman binigay na fertilizer, walang seedlings, walang suporta. He could not get a credit. Hindi niya alam kung saan siya mapunta. And day to day, he realized that he might as well sell the land back to the landowner, at mabutit na lang ang konsuelo ko, nakahawak rin siya ng pera ng malaki. But then again, those who sold their lands went to the blighted areas of the urban areas. There's a beacon there that, it's all lighted, and maybe he can get a better deal, better shake in life. Dating doon, ang mga anak niya mag-tricycle driver, siya magpanday-panday, losing the land, no more hope to ever get back to that land. Alam mo, pag nagbigay ka ng lupa, hindi mo binagyan ng walang support system. There's always you must have money. You have to give him credit. You have to give him the farm implements or even a communal use of the farm system. If I get to be president, I will give the Bureau of Soil and Agriculture, whoever in charge of that goddamn thing, make me a color-coded map. Tingnan ninyo kung which crop would be best in this area. And you can plant, and we can focus the assistance kung anong ibigay namin.